Right, let's first get into pricing and let's talk about how Patreon makes its money. There's 3 tiers, and each one will take more percentage of your patrons' money the more features you want to use. So obviously the more patrons you have, the more Patreon's going to get paid. So basically the first version, the light version, is 5% of your patrons' money, membership fee, hosted creator page, Patreon communication tools, and Patreon workshops, right? You're going to get a basic patron account, and what's going to happen is you're going to pay 5% of them. You're not going to pay, 5% of the money is going to be taken straight out, right? If it's over $3, there will be an extra payment fee of 2.9%. Let's call it 3%, plus 30 cents on every transaction. So if it's more than $3 on your reward, you're going to be paying 8% to Patreon plus 30 cents on top. If the fee is less than $3, you're going to be paying 5% on your monthly income. You're going to pay 5% transaction fee and a 10-cent on top. So you're going to pay 10% of the transaction plus 10%. So if you're plus 10 cents. So if you've got a reward for $3, you're going to pay what's that? 30 cents. 30 cents so 10% of that is 30 cents plus 10 cents on every fee. So you're going to pay on a $3 transaction, you're going to pay 40 cents to Patreon on a $3 transaction. On a $1 transaction, you're going to pay 20 cents, right? So you're going to pay 10%, which is 10 cents, plus the 10 cents. On a $1 reward, you're going to give Patreon 20 cents, right? Bit harder to work out over that, unless you can work out what 7.9% is of something like $50. I mean, I probably could, but you're gonna pay 7.9% of whatever the transaction is, and then 30 cents on top. So if it's $10, oh god, what's 7 cents is 79 cents. It's 7.9 cents. 7.9% is obviously 79 cents plus 30. What's that? 109 cents. So $1.09. My maths, honestly, I'm like a calculator. You have to use calculators for everything now. So say on a $10 transaction fee, you're going to pay $1.09 to Patreon for running the website, taking the money, paying the taxes for you. Then they're going to send you the difference. Obviously, when you go up in tiers, you get extra features, these special offer promos. You're going to get analytics. You got membership tiers. You're probably going to look at this 8% one, I think. I would if I were you. You're basically going to be paying 11% plus 30 plus 30 cents, and you're going to be paying what? 13% plus 10. I probably think you need to this one. And then if you want to go up to 12%, you're going to be dedicated manager, merch for membership. I'm not sure what that is, but that's probably being able to send t-shirts and stuff like that, which is pretty cool as well. But you're going to jump to 12% basic and your transaction fees. So a lot of people using it. It's almost like somebody doing the accounting for you and you're paying them to do the accounts. I'm VAT registered. They're going to deal with all the VAT that comes in from wherever people sign up for in the world. They're going to deal with all the invoicing. They're going to pay everybody. Every country is going to get its proper filed in money, and I'm just going to get the difference to put into my revenue for my business, right? So it may seem high or it may seem low. I'm not sure your thoughts on it, but they're going to take their piece for running this, right? And I don't blame them.